Hi, welcome to Art Draw. You're going to need a piece of paper and some pens. Today we're going to draw Toon Meowscles from Fortnite. Start at the top, let's do his head. So let's get in there with his eyes. He's got these cartoon eyes, so circle and a chip in it, a bit like a little Pac-Man. And an arc to the left and an arc to the right. That's for his mouth. Let's go to the middle of there, just mark that, do a curve out, the top of his head, and another curve out. Okay, let's do his cheeks. So again, curve that out, all the way around, join it up. Okay, let's do the very top of his head and his ears. So work down here, and an ear up here. Work down around the face we just drawn. Let's join that up. It's got a line out and a line out, and then we're going to arc around, join up to the bottom of his chin and arc back around. That's his face done. Let's think about his body. We'll do a line up for his braces and repeat that again. Then a curved line to the left and again. 2 circles for the button of his braces, 2 lines in that button. Okay, we'll just finish off the braces there, 2 little curves, straight line, just bring it out ever so slightly. Then he's pretty muscly, so we'll do 2 lines in for his chest muscles, and then join that up around the middle of his waist. Line in and a curved line in again. That's the top area of his body done. Shoulder, draw a curve here and repeat the same on the other side. Okay, let's do a little line down, another line down, and join that up. Got like long arms, big elbow, and then curved line and repeat, and a curved line and repeat. Little line here for his trousers, move down, all the way down, all the way down, that's his leg. Then on the other side again, he's got knobbly knees. I'm going to put 2 curves in. Let's join that up to the top of his trousers and do the same on the other side. Cool, let's do the bottom of his legs, just finish those off. Great. Okay, straight line across gloves, curve around, straight line across and a curve. Same thing around his ankles as well for his boots. Got his cartoon boots and cartoon gloves going on. Thumb, and then curve around to get some fingers in. He's got a clenched fist. So thumb, 1, 2, 3 again. There's his hands. And then he's got boots on, so big rounded boots at the bottom there. And another one, big rounded boot. Just do the bottom of those boots as well. Cool, just having standing on a little line there. And it's got a holster either side that contains his guns. So a few little rectangles, and then just draw the holster there. Line in and around, line in, there we go, there's his holster. Then his tail. Move it up and around and in. And just put a line in there, like a bit of an angle. And that's the line work for Meowscles done. Let's get a grey. Let's colour in those eyes. He's a great black and white character. So we're just going to colour in using this darker grey colour. Okay, there's the head. Now I'm just going to do the arm. So he's got white gloves on, so I'm just going to track around the arm areas, fill that in, and then let's do the other side. Cool. Right, braces, 1, 2, so fill that in, and fill that in. Okay, let's do that holster area, and then let's look at his trousers. So just fill that all in there, and below the button as well. Okay, and then let's just put a little bit of shading in. A little curve there for his chest. Just going to shade around his gloves, his feet, give him some shadow. And then let's do his tail as well. Okay, and that is Meowscles from Fortnite. Thanks for watching, guys.